Yeah. I saw Kahuna Pyara and I wanted to wear that Jali wala t-shirt that he wore. So I have lost weight only to be able to wear clothes like that. When you remember that step that he does in that black shirt?
I'm going to leave this.
Okay, listen, listen. Once you have to do this, do that thing now for IFA. Do that thing now. What you do in the climax of Kahuna Pyare, yaar. Are you ready? Can you feel it? Then let's go for it. Come on, do it once, man.
Okay, fine. You do with me.
No, I can't, yeah. No, step nahi tha. But something you did say, you said something and all. I don't know, do the step. What step should you do? Are you ready? Can you feel it? Then let's go for it.
Are you with me? Can you feel
it?
Then let's go for it. Yeah, dude.
Okay, then I can't do that, man.
So are you guys ready and can you feel it?
I was just going to say this was a good time for you to join them in a dance step.
नहीं औकात में रहना चाहिए लाइफ में. इसीलिए देखने में मजा आता है, करने में कम मजा आता है. So now moving on, ladies and gentlemen.
Not have a monologue ready on IFA or Hrithik Roshan. So if you would like to carry on with the questions, I would be more than thankful.
Acha, but the thing is that we've heard that you have something very exciting this time for IFA and for the people that are going to be watching IFA and all.
I think I should keep it a little bit of a surprise, but it's something that you guys will enjoy. Okay, 2 performances, I can give you that. I'm performing at IFA Rocks and on the main show day as well. So, and they're both very different performances. This time Sabas is making me do something very, actually he's helping me fulfill a dream at IFA Rocks. So thank you, Sabas. And I'm really looking forward to it. But yeah, my performance on the main show day is going to be something like, you've been calling me the dub smash queen and all of that, so I thought I'll give you a little bit more of that on those lines. And anyway, women are the new heroes today, so, you know, so it's going to be very, very heroic. I can give you that as well. I finished.
Oh, you finished?
Yeah. You can ask me the next.
ऐसे तो तू कभी चुप नहीं होता.
आज बाबा नहीं है ना.
I have that effect on people.
But okay, Sonakshi, while you're on stage and before you, Sonakshi loves to dance, and when she dances, she has this typical. Sonakshi, remember, you have to show them that face of yours when you dance, that Bambaya face that you make when you're Gandhi Baat. That one, yeah. We are going to sing Gandhi Baat.
We need music for that, and everybody has to
check her face. You must. It's lovely.
His face is he makes a worse face.
What face do I make?
What is the face?
Why don't you all both show it to us?
Calm down,
Show us.
No.
Yeah. I can't even look at it.
It's subtle, yeah.
Truly subtle.
आज कुछ संस्कारी करते हैं सोच के आए थे और कर क्या रहे हो देखो.
सुधर जाओ बाबा, होस्ट करना है.
और बार भी करना है, इसके बाद कोशिश करेंगे.
ये रिहर्सल स्टेज हो जाएगा. हाँ.
Before we move ahead, after what Anil Chachu said about me and the way
you don't have to ask me more questions.
और बाकी सब कैसे
सब एकदम
first class.
चलो ठीक है, बैठ जाते हैं, मतलब that's the cue.
मतलब you want to answer more, we can ask you more questions.
Please na, because I didn't give that whole IFA speech and the praising Hrithik. Should I start? Because then even I won't be able to stop. I mean, look at his eyes. Sorry,
I think we should all
I'm just pani is happening right now.
Shahid, you might want to join them.
I wasn't prepared for this.
I don't like to participate in these weird moments. It's not my thing.
The boys are going like that. Imagine my halat. Oh, thanks.
He has gone pink, however, I must tell you. Hrithik, your cheeks have gone pink.
Yeah.
I made Hrithik Roshan blush. So now before Anil Jaju fires me and gets bored of waiting, I just wanted to say that what he said about me, I'm really, really touched and overwhelmed that he said it at this podium. We very rarely get a chance to interact and get emotional about things. So I really did feel emotional. I don't want to joke around and fool around introducing this person. I just want to say, आज भी जब मैं किसी पार्टी में जाता हूँ इनके साथ या कोई भी इवेंट पे होता हूँ, मुझे लोग आके कहते हैं, your uncle is so good looking. And I tell you honestly, it makes me so proud and so happy, and it pisses the living daylights out of me also, because कोई मुझे कुछ अच्छा नहीं बोलता, सिर्फ इनकी तारीफ करते हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, the man who's aging backwards, Anil Kapoor. Surprises me about Anil Jaju, honestly and genuinely, this man's dedication and his passion towards his profession. I guess we are all five of us here, we are all very, very fortunate and lucky that we are, our passion has become a profession, but this man takes it to the next level with his dedication, regardless of age, regardless of what he's achieved. He
I
still
think
is like
we should
a
all
child.
be around him now.
Yeah.
Like this.
But I
Make him
swear,
blush.
he's like
How?
Go for it.
How?
he's like a child. Yeah?
How is it possible? Are you a man or machine? Prove it now.
The
Take your
curious
clothes off.
case of Anil Kapoor.
Take your clothes off. Prove it. Man or machine?
Yeah, baby! Sir, one more
Ladies
lesson.
and gentlemen, Anil Kapoor. Oh my God. I think he's doing it, Arjun.
See?
I think we've
See
asked.
the dedication he has.
This is what ask and you shall receive. Anil Kapoor teaches it to us.
I mean, this is his dedication. I know for a fact that this man, when he knows he has dubbing, will be up at 6 a.m. in the morning because सुबह सुबह आवाज बहुत अच्छी sound करती है, and he'll go and dub, and that is the kind of passion that we all need to learn, and I hope I can imbibe that and make him proud like he was saying.
All right, give it up for these jackass people on stage, all of them. Yes. Arjun, you have one last chance to ask Chachu a question. Would you like to ask him something?
नहीं, I think उन्होंने मतलब जो कहना था, जो करना था, सब कुछ कर दिया. अभी मलेशिया में मिलते हैं, वहाँ पे होंगे सवाल जवाब, वहाँ पे होगी मस्ती, and see you all at IFA 2015.
Well, great. Before that, I just have something for you. Please, ja, please, ja. Please, please, nahi ghar. All right, ladies and gentlemen, like I said earlier, before you go, there is one practice run you have to do of something that you will be doing at IFA. Can all of you together once look into the audience with your mics and say, "We love you, IFA!" One, two, three.
We love you, IFA!
All right. There's just one little activity. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir, sir.
एक second.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello.
Sir
Actually,
is saying hello. Excuse
yeah.
me.
Hup, hup, hup.
Just say खामोश.
Khamosh.
Irshad, sir.
actually क्या हो गया कि I'm a very hungry actor, तो मुझे मौका नहीं मिला बोलने के लिए, तो मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ. We love you, IFA!
That's the way it's done. That's the way it's done, boys and girls. That's Anil Kapoor. All right, before we go, just a quick question. Hrithik, of course, you've won an IFA award.